Hey guys, Bob here from the Super 73 Europe team. 2021 has been an incredible year of growth for us as a company, but as well for the Super 73 community. We've held rides all across Europe and have had the amazing opportunity to meet so many dedicated Super Squad members. It's been awesome hearing all of your individual stories and how owning a Super 73 has impacted your life. Because of this, we're going to be officially launching the Super Squad Story series here on the channel. You may be familiar with the series on the US channel, and it's something we want to highlight in the European community as well. We started it with Mad Hobby, but now we really want to focus on this series. With that being said, we need your help to find community members ready to tell their story. In order to be featured in a Super Squad story, you or the person you're recommending must own a Super 73 and must be located in Europe. If this is you, then please send a short explanation of yourself and why you think you should be featured to this email with the subject line Super Squad Story 2022. We look forward to growing the community and sharing all of your stories. Thank you for watching and we'll see you next time.